Hi, welcome to our channel. You are watching Chronicle today. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. There are many foods that interfere with the working of immune system and various nutrients and herbs that enhance the immune system. The main function of the immune system is to protect the body against various infections. It is the most important body component that helps in determining one's state of health. The effectiveness of immune system varies from person to person. In case of weak immune system, the person is more susceptible to infections and other health problems. Immune system forms various antibodies that fight against germs. The main components of the immune system are bone marrow, antibodies, cells, lymph nodes, spleen, chemicals, thymus glands, and tonsils. There are many foods that interfere with the working of immune system and various nutrients and herbs that enhance the immune system. The two main herbs that are highly beneficial for immunity enhancement are Amla. It is the richest natural source of vitamin C. It is considered as a versatile and powerful antioxidant that protects the body against all types of cancer, fights against virus that is responsible for causing AIDS and HIV. Amla also helps in lowering the blood pressure. Other than a rich source of vitamin C, it is a good dietary source of various minerals and amino acids. It is helpful in raising the total protein level and the body weight. Due to its antibacterial and astringent properties, it helps to fight against various infections, thus making the immune system strong. In Ayurveda, it is considered as an acrid, cooling, refrigerant, diuretic, laxative, and with anabolic effect. Various other benefits of Amla are: helps in good iron absorption from the dietary sources. It increases the protein synthesis that strengthens the body muscles. Helps in better food absorption, making the digestive system strong and balances the stomach acid. It strengthens the liver and helps in the easy removal of toxins and morbid matter from the body. It is also responsible for strengthening the hair, nails, bones, and teeth. It prevents the premature graying of hair and dandruff. It provides nourishment to the brain and heart, making the nervous system strong and lowering the blood cholesterol. It is considered best tonic for eyes. All these benefits make Amla a strong immune enhancer. Ashwagandha. In Ayurveda, the herb Ashwagandha is believed to have anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, anti-stress, antioxidant, rejuvenating, aphrodisiac, and immune-enhancing properties. It is considered as an adaptogen that stimulates the immune system and improves the memory. It also helps to fight against stress due to its anti-stress properties. It increases the count of white blood cells and prepares the body to produce antigens against various infections and allergies. It is also considered as a tonic for the heart and lungs, as its regular intake controls the blood pressure and regulates the heartbeat. It has a strong nourishing and protective effect on the nervous system. Various other benefits of Ashwagandha are: it reduces the inflammation of the joints, eases arthritis, and increases the energy level of body. It is also considered as a sex stimulant for both men and women. It helps in preventing miscarriages in pregnant women by balancing the hormones that stabilize the pregnancy. Its regular use helps in the maintaining the sugar and cholesterol levels. It is the only herb that supports the immune system of HIV patients. It has been used in prolonging life, improving overall health, enhancing mental function, increasing fertility and libido, augmenting physical energy, and preventing infections, thus acting as an immune booster.